Healthy, happy Vlogmas! In today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 super easy ways to keep you healthy and happy this holiday season. Stay tuned to find out these 2 tips to keep you well this holiday season. Welcome everybody, happy Vlogmas! I'm so excited to have you here. I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher. I'm a naturopathic physician. If you are new, I am so excited to welcome you to my channel. We're a growing community of folks focused on natural resources and ways to stay well and be happy and healthy. And in today's video, I want to give you 2 really simple tools that you are going to want to implement to keep you well this holiday season. It is not uncommon with the holiday season, and it's already starting. And people around us right now are falling ill, and it's the stress of the holidays, it's the seasonal changes, it's the going from cold air to heat and all the dust and all that stuff. I want to give you some ways for you to fortify your body. The first most impactful way for you to fortify your system is to incorporate vitamin D3. I actually dose in the 50,000 IU range during the winter months for an assortment of reasons, but I'm going to propose that probably 40 to 55% of you are living above the Mason-Dixon line who are watching this video in the United States. Obviously, other countries and locations in the world might vary, but generally my US viewers who are living above the Mason-Dixon line are not getting enough vitamin D. And vitamin D is actually manufactured by your body, by your liver. But the most crucial aspect of vitamin D is that 1, it's not a vitamin, it's actually a steroid. But 2, it is crucial and needed by every cell in your body to fortify itself from a foreign invasion, meaning a viral invasion, a bacterial invasion, exposure to ick and germs all over. So if you have low levels of vitamin D3, then the odds are you'll have a weakened immune system. So the best way to boost your immune system is to reach for daily high dosing of vitamin D3. And again, because it isn't a vitamin and it's a steroid, every cell has receptivity to vitamin D, and basically virtually impossible to overdose on it. So you're going to notice some significant benefits like improved energy and even better sleep, but more impactfully on your immune system, you're going to see an increase. My second tip for you is one of my favorite herbs that will boost and bolster and fortify your immune system. And it's an herb called Astragalus. Astragalus is the best friend to your immune system. This bad boy, Astragalus, will really bolster and fortify your immune system. What it's going to do is it's going to help prevent the viral bacterial invasions from moving into anything more intense. So Astragalus is going to boost your immune system. It's going to boost your immunoresponse to foreign entities and exposure to pathogens. And it's also going to help you maintain a healthy immune response. The good news is that if you do get exposed, as we are exposed every day to viral and bacterial invasions, our immune system has a natural process of eradicating it. It's only when it is weakened or reduced in its power that we see those invasions really taking root. And generally, lack of sleep, dehydration, temperature, pressure changes, poor diet, all of those things that happen here in the holiday season contribute to a weakened immune system. If you take Astragalus on a daily basis, you're going to notice big changes. So maintenance-wise, what I recommend with Astragalus is usually a tincture is going to be about 665 milligrams. You can take a full tincture 2 to 3 times a day. That's if you are in and around ick. For all my teachers, all my parents, like I'm taking this stuff right now, you're going to notice a really strong fortified immune system. Now, if you are down and out and dealing with the cold and flu right now, you can take Astragalus more frequently. So I'd say dosing 4 to 6 times a day with the liquid tincture, full dropper, you're going to notice your body rebound very quickly. So friends, this is my health tip for you today. I'm so excited to share this with you because I know it's going to help you. So the question of the day is, Are you taking either of these? And if so, which one? And what benefits are you noticing by taking either one? So please comment down below. I'll be choosing one comment winner who comments within the first hour of this video posting. And if you haven't done so already, I hope you'll hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and if you feel so inclined, I would love to invite you into my community here. I have a private membership program that YouTube offers all of you. And if you want access to that, it's super easy. I'll include a link down in my bio. It's $4.99, and already I've been offering tons of great resources, and I've been offering coupon codes and great ways for folks to save money this holiday season on healthy items. So stay tuned for tomorrow's Healthy Vlogmas video, and I'm so grateful for your time.